how to connect Garmin Connect app to Strava. So this is official information over here by Strava support, so this actual step-by-step method should be reliable for you and connecting your Garmin and Strava. So to automatically sync with Garmin Connect from the Garmin Connect mobile app, so if your Garmin device is Bluetooth enabled, you can download the Garmin Connect mobile app, create a Garmin Connect account, and sync your Strava account by going to Settings, Connected Apps, and then Strava. Accept the permission prompt to connect your Garmin Connect and Strava accounts and log into your Strava account. Ensure the permission to upload activities from Garmin Connect to Strava is enabled before authorizing the connection. Disabling this permission will prevent past and future activity sync. So once activities are wirelessly uploaded to Garmin Connect via Bluetooth, they will appear on Strava a few moments later. So Garmin will sync your activities from the past year to Strava immediately after initiating the device connection. And for Garmin Express, if you have that for some reason, to upload using your computer, download and install Garmin Express and follow the instructions to add your device. On the Strava website, visit this over here and find the Garmin option to authorize a link to Strava. And once you've established this connection, any new activities uploaded to Garmin Connect will automatically sync to Strava. After your first upload, Garmin will sync the past year of activity to Strava. But anyways, that's how you connect both Garmin Connect to Strava. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.